everybody, I'm Helga from Helga's Home Cooking, and today I'm going to make for you a plum tart. This time of year plums are in big season, and we've had a really good season of plums. So this is not my mom's plum kuchen, it is a tart. And I actually saw Ina from the Barefoot Contestant make it a few times and I watched it and I thought that's going to be really good. The crust is like a cookie pastry crust. It's not like a yeast dough or a cake dough crust. So here we go. What I did was I quartered my plums, and I need to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And give it a good mix. I love plums, especially Italian prune plums, and you can only get them this time of year. And they grow really well here in the Okanagan. And, I have made, with some plums this year, I made a plum chutney to have with chicken, grilled chicken and the chutney. And that's in the freezer. And we've been eating them raw, and today I'm going to make this plum tart. And the tart has crumbs, so my videographer suggested I call it a plum crumb. I thought that's pretty good. Okay, so that can kind of just sit and hang out for a while, let those juices start to develop with the plums. And I'll move on to the crust. So in here I have a cup of sugar, and I'm going to blend it with a 1/2 cup of butter. Didn't need to do that. Not yet, anyway. There we go. I'll keep that handy so I can stir it now. So this is going to go for about 5-10 minutes till it's nice and creamy and fluffy, and then I will add the flour. See you in a bit. Okay, that's good. So now I'm going to slowly add some of the dry ingredients, and I'm going to just keep it on low speed because I don't want it to make a big mass, so I'll just go slowly on low. Okay, that's probably enough for right now. For the rest of it. Now in my flour mixture I have cinnamon and baking powder. So I just put in the last of the flour and give it a little bit of a mix. And roll again. And what I'm looking for are small little crumbs. This is going to be like a cookie, like I said. I think I will stop it again and just scrape down the edges. And then we'll add a tablespoon of cold water and press it, or most of it, into our pan, a springform pan that I've buttered and floured. Okay, get this. Okay, that looks pretty good, and I'll take a tablespoon of this ice water. Just sprinkle it around so we get little larger crumbles. There. Okay. During my last little break, I gave my hands a little rinse. So I'm going to take 3/4 of the crumbles and press them into the pan. and then I'll take the rest for the topping. Still have to mix it up a bit here. So I'll take some of these out. I'll just put them in this little butter dish that I had. And that might be enough, but I'll put a little bit more. There. And with this, I'm going to press it into my buttered and floured springform pan. You know what? I think I might just use the back of the measuring cup to help press it down a bit. There, that makes me happy. That's good. Okay. Now, give our plums a stir with that cornstarch and sugar. And we've made some lovely juices, and it'll thicken up when the tart is cooking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put part of it in here. And then I'm just going to get in with my fingers and arrange it the way I want to. Okay, I'll just fill in these little spaces if I can, and I think I have just enough, so I'm happy about that. And this tart will bake at 350 for about an hour, and then we'll probably have some of it for our brunch maybe tomorrow. With the leftover sugar and cornstarch, I'm just going to go around and use it up. Okay. Just grab a cloth for my sugar fingers here. But I'm going to be putting them right back into the crumble anyway. So here we go. Just kind of spread this all around. I think I've been eyeballing pretty good, because that's about as much as I'd like to put on there. So that's good. So I'm just going to pop it in the oven, 350 for about an hour. See you then. So it's been time, and let's check it out. Sorry about that. Okay, it's bubbling away like crazy. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So we'll let it cool down a bit, and then we'll call for our taste tester. And by the way, he's not only our taste tester. As you can see, he's our pot and dish washer as well. And I appreciate it, and thank you very much. Okay. See you in a bit. Okay, so it's ready, and it's still a little warm, but I think it'll be fine. So we'll get our taste tester to try it and see what he thinks. Go, Ken.
Great. Fabulous.
It's been smelling really good.
Yeah.
See if you like kind of a cookie crust better, or well, it's just different. But I think with a little scoop of ice cream, it would be just perfect.
It's delicious. It's so good. I
Well,
love it.
good, good. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time.